Hi, this is August the 31st in Sid, the Narrowboat. It's about just gone 5:30 and I've just got pulled up the last floorboard and I'll just show you what's underneath it. This here is a floorboard what I've pulled up, that's the bottom side of it, and this last floorboard's been put in differently than all the rest. On this, you can see somebody's poured in a bucketfuls of gravel for the ballast. So what they've done is put some stone in for weight, then level the floor off with wood. So they screwed the floor onto the wood, and between the wood joists, what we've done is put this gravel in. So this section floorboard here is the gravel, which is pretty heavy. These two floorboards here just had wood in, which wasn't so heavy. Here there's some there's nothing there and nothing there for ballast, maybe like odd stone. Here was where the shower was. This side of the shower and underneath the sofa there, these were full of stones. And thinking about it, here's a shower, and here this had bits of paving flags in. May have to look in the old video to see. And at the front here was nothing, but the weight was the bow thruster, which was quite heavy, which was taken out. So if you look on the waterline of Sid, when she's in the water, she's still like light at the front, high at the front, and heavy at the back. So what I'm going to do with the ballast is have nothing here at the back, because the engine is pretty heavy, and looking at the water lines, that's the main bit of the weight, and move all this ballast to the front and just like work it back again just to how far I can get. So hopefully that'll level out Sid when she's back in the canal. It is a bit of a guessing game, but we'll see. The owners said that in the waters Sid was very stable, like when other boats coming past in the canal she didn't rock that much, so she must be like quite heavy with the double skin on and all this ballast in here. So that's the video for today, and hope you see you on the next video.